Imagine losing your job to a machine that never sleeps. This is not sci-fi. It's already happening, and faster than anyone expected. In this video, we'll explore 5 AI tools silently replacing jobs across the world. Stay with us, because the last one could affect your career today.
By 2025, AI won't just assist your job, it might replace it. In this video, we're diving into 5 AI tools that are reshaping industries, cutting costs, and yes, eliminating jobs. Stick around. Number 1 might already be replacing yours. AI is not coming, it's already here. The future of work is being reshaped right now.
At number 5, we have Jasper AI. This tool is a marketer's dream, writing blogs, social posts, and ads in seconds. Over 100,000 businesses already use it. Copywriters, you're officially on notice. But it's not just content. Jasper can brainstorm ad angles, generate entire brand campaigns, and even mimic a specific tone of voice. Companies that once needed an agency are now scaling faster with this one tool. Want to try Jasper? Link in the description for a free trial.
Graphic design is evolving. Tools like Midjourney and DALL 3 create stunning visuals from simple text prompts. Posters, book covers, concept art, no artist required. These tools are now used in branding, ebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, product mockups, even game development. Freelancers using AI art are earning more by producing faster. We used AI for this video's thumbnail, and it took less than 2 minutes. One prompt can now replace hours of Photoshop. Designers are adapting or being replaced. Need a presenter but don't want to hire one? Synthesia creates human-like avatars that speak your script in more than 60 languages. Pictory turns long-form text into engaging short videos, perfect for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. This is changing training videos, online courses, and how influencers manage their channels. No camera? No problem. Check out Synthesia or Pictory using the links below. We made this segment with it. No camera? No crew? No problem. AI avatars are the new face of content. This tool helps you write, code, and create. It passed university exams. It can boost your career. Number 2 is ChatGPT, the AI brain behind a global productivity boom. It writes emails, generates business ideas, even helps students pass exams. Businesses are now using GPT models to manage customer service, write documentation, and even code. This isn't just convenience, it's workforce transformation. Upgrade to ChatGPT Plus for priority access. Link in the description.
And at number 1, Auto-GPT. This is not just an assistant, it's an autonomous agent. You give it a goal, and it handles everything from planning to execution. Need to build a website, launch a product, or analyze a market? Auto-GPT handles it. It even breaks tasks into subtasks and executes without you lifting a finger. It's like hiring a full-stack startup team for free. So what can you do to stay relevant? Learn these tools, build with them, and stay creative. The future will always need people who adapt. Whether it's automating your side hustle or using AI to launch a product, make it work for you. AI won't replace humans. It'll replace humans who don't use AI. You can choose to lead or be left behind. Did you know? 300+ million jobs are expected to be impacted by AI by 2030. Quick stat, Over 80% of marketers say AI tools improve their productivity in 2024. Fact: DALL-E 3 can now understand context better than most junior designers. Insight: Auto-GPT can run 20-plus tasks without human input. Think of it as AI with initiative. Did you know? ChatGPT 4.0 can now see, hear, and speak, just like a human assistant. So what happens next? By 2030, over 300 million jobs could be impacted by AI globally. But here's the twist: AI will also create new roles. Prompt engineers, AI ethicists, automation strategists. Adaptability is the real job security. Learn these tools and future-proof your career.
Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tool you shouldn't miss. Runway ML is revolutionizing video creation. From AI video editing to realistic text-to-video generation, it helps creators level up fast. Need to remove a background, add motion, or turn images into video? Runway does it all. No editing skills required. More time, less effort. That's the AI way.
AI tool warning and ethics note. AI tools are powerful, but they're not perfect. Misinformation, bias, plagiarism, all still possible. Tools like Jasper or ChatGPT can hallucinate facts. Image generators may use copyrighted styles. That's why it's crucial to use AI responsibly. Treat it as an assistant, not a replacement for thinking.
AI isn't a trend. It's the next industrial revolution. Whether you're a student, a creator, or a business owner, these tools are here to stay. The real question is, will you use them or compete against them? Be cashew. AI is not coming. It's here. These tools are just the beginning. Want to stay ahead? Learn how to use them. Smash the like button if you learn something new. Don't just watch. Explore these tools. Try one. Test your limits. Own your future. Subscribe for more futuristic tools. And let us know in the comments, which AI tool blew your mind the most? Want more tools like these? You're just one click away. If you thought these tools were impressive, wait till you see what's next. We're diving into AI agents that code entire apps, digital twins for remote work, and real-time video dubbing across languages. That's all coming up in our next video. So subscribe now and hit the bell